Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup quick and easy. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need a good quality broth, your favorite vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions, and a protein such as cooked chicken or lentils. Make sure to chop everything into small, manageable pieces. This ensures everything cooks quickly and evenly, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's build a strong flavor base for our soup. Heat 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped aromatics such as onions, garlic, and celery. Sauté these for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until they become soft and wonderfully fragrant. This step is crucial for developing depth of flavor in your soup, making it taste like it's simmered for hours, even when it's made in minutes. With our flavor base established, it's time to add the main components. Pour in 4 to 6 cups of your favorite broth and bring it to a gentle boil. Next, add your prepared vegetables and protein. Once everything is in, reduce the heat to a simmer and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. This short simmering time is perfect for quick cooking ingredients, ensuring your vegetables are tender crisp and your protein is heated through. Almost there. Now for the final, crucial step, tasting and adjusting. Taste your soup and add salt, pepper, or any other seasonings to your liking. A pinch of red pepper flakes can add a nice kick. Stir in fresh herbs such as parsley or cilantro right before serving for a burst of fresh flavor. Your quick and easy homemade soup is now ready to be enjoyed in under 30 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.